Come fry chicken with me. Mix a 3-to-1 ratio spoonfuls of flour and cornstarch and season that with paprika, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Mix it together well. I'm using skin-on, bone-in chicken. I'm just using this paper towel to remove excess liquid. Then I'm going to fully coat it in the flour mixture. Roll them, shake them, really get it in there. Now I'm going to fill a pan 1 inch deep with vegetable oil. Turn your cooktop to medium heat. We're going to fry low and slow. We don't want this oil being too hot or going everywhere. This is heating over medium heat just until it's moving along the bottom. Once the oil is dancing that way, we're going to put in every piece, not touching. This oil is bubbling nicely when I put in my chicken, but it's not boiling or splattering everywhere. Ooh, look at that fry. Okay, I'm gonna turn 2 to 3 times total, maintaining this medium or low medium heat the entire time. What's great is that we're doing this without a deep fryer, just on our cooktop. I love using Dutch oven for this. It's perfect. Okay, turning it one last time, and it's ready actually. So we are frying these until golden brown. This took me about 20 to 30 minutes total. Those of you temping to an internal temp of 165. Remove each piece, draining the oil off and laying it to dry over paper towel. Voila! Fried chicken at home without a deep fryer or an air fryer in 30 minutes. Beautiful color, springy texture. Yes.